It is one. So, now see, up to this we have completed. That is your convex mirror, and there are two types of spherical mirror. So write down two types of spherical mirror is there. So write down the first one. First one is your concave mirror, and second one is your convex mirror. First one is your concave mirror, and second one is your convex mirror. And second one is your convex mirror. So two types of spherical mirrors are there. One is your concave mirror, and another is your convex mirror. So now, Kaushik, draw this one. Now, this will be your concave mirror. I will explain. And draw it separately. This will be your convex mirror. Kaushik, now see it. The spherical mirror is a mirror whose reflecting surface is a curved or spherical. It's not a spherical mirror. Two types of mirror are there. One is your concave mirror, another is a convex mirror. Now, in case of this is a concave mirror. So now let me discuss what is concave mirror definition. Write down. So write down concave mirror is the part concave mirror is the part of a hollow sphere whose outer surface, I will explain first, I don't, that is bulging surface is one minute. Please write down. Is silvered. Silver means coated with silver color. Silvered and the inner surface and the inner surface that is depressed surface. Act as a reflecting surface. First I don't, then I will explain the definition. Concave mirror is the part of a hollow sphere whose outer surface, this one, outer surface, that is bulging surface, is silvered, that means coated with silver color, and the inner surface, that means this one, act as a reflecting surface. All of you first write down, then I will explain.
Sir, finish writing.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Dibjoti, Titisman.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Others, Dikshita. Dipandita. Dipandita. I think Dipandita is present or not?
Sir, finish.
Okay, then Bhasuti, Bidu.
Sir, finish.
Finish. Okay. Rimpi, Joy.
Sir, I finish fast.
Acha. Now see, now try to understand this one. This is your concave mirror. Concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose outer surface. Now this is the outer surface. This is a sphere, hollow sphere, and this is the outer surface. This is the your in the if you divide this one, this will be your concave mirror where this is the now see this here is the outer surface and this is the inner surface. No, this is the inner surface. Yes or no? This is the inner surface, and this is the outer surface. So in case of your concave mirror, the outer surface is coated, that means silvered, that means coated, and the inner surface acts as a reflecting surface. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Concave mirror is a spherical mirror where concave mirror is a part of a hollow sphere whose outer surface. I mean, now see, this is the bulging. Bulging means what? Like this. Bulging. That means this one, this part. This part is a bulging surface. Yes or no? This part is a bulging surface. So this bulging surface is coated, and the outer surface is the outer surface will act as a reflecting surface. Now see, concave mirror is a part of a hollow sphere whose outer surface, there is the bulging surface, is silvered, and the inner surface, that means this one. This is the inner surface, or depressed. Depressed means what? It is a now see, this will be a bulging surface, and this will be a depressed surface or inner surface, act as a reflecting surface, and it is known as concave mirror. Now see, in case of concave mirror, now suppose a ray is coming from here. So in case of concave mirror, the inner surface is your reflecting surface. That's why it will strike at the inner surface, and it will then reflect like this, because here the inner surface is your reflecting surface. That's why after striking it will strike back in the inner surface. But in case of convex mirror, the outer surface is the reflecting surface. That's why ray will come here and then go back like this. Do you understand this one, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Girls?
Sir.
Hasuti?
Sir, yes.
Okay, I will explain again in proper way. So this is the concave mirror. That means here the inner surface is your reflecting surface, and in case of concave mirror, the outer surface is a reflecting surface. Now see, in this case, the inner is coated, so the outer will act as a reflecting. That means bulging one will be reflected, will act as your reflecting surface, and the inner, the depressed surface is coated or it's silvered. Okay, so this is the concave mirror. Now write down the definition of convex mirror. Draw this one. So this is the convex mirror. Now see, so write down a definition. Convex mirror is the part of a hollow sphere whose outer surface, that is bulging surface act as a reflecting surface and the inner surface, that is depressed surface, is silver as shown in the figure. Finish?
No.
Because I am doing with my hand. Now see,
We are also drawing with our hand only.
but you are using compass, no? Now see. So, in case of concave, your outer surface will be coated. In case of convex, the inner surface is coated. Well, let me draw one line. Now see, in circle, the center is known as center of the circle. Yes or no? Yes.
So what?
In circle, the center is known as the center of the circle.
Yes.
In spherical mirror, the center is known as center of curvature, and it is denoted by C. So also I can see here. In spherical mirror, the center is known as the center of curvature, and it is denoted by capital C. So all of you are denoted by capital C. Finish?
Yeah.
Now see, in case of circle, this distance is known as what? This distance, radius. But in case of your spherical mirror also, this distance is known as radius of curvature. This distance is known as radius of curvature. Okay, capital R. This distance is known as, I will give the definition first. Try to understand. This distance is known as radius of curvature. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, see, when you join this will be on diameter. Now see, now we know that if this is a diameter, then we know that the diameter divides the circle in two equal parts. Yes or no? In geometry, we have got the diameter divides the your this one circle in two equal parts. Yes. 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 So
Yeah.
now see, it will cut the concave mirror. Suppose at point P. Suppose P1 and here P2. Okay. Now this P1 and P2, P1 will be the midpoint of this concave mirror and P2 will be the midpoint of this convex mirror. Yes or no?
Why?
Because this is one your spherical mirror. Yes or no? Hollow sphere, and we know that diameter in case of circle, the diameter divides the circle in two equal parts. Up to this clear? Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, in case of spherical sphere also or spherical mirror also, this will be the radius of curvature. So this radius of curvature cuts the this mirror at P1, so this part and this part will be equal. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So if this part and this part are equal, then this will be the what? Midpoint of this. This will be the midpoint of this your concave mirror. Yes. Yes. Clear, all of you? Kosik?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, explain again.
See, this is one sphere. Now, this is the what? In case of circle, this is the radius. Sorry, this is diameter. Up to this clear?
Yes.
Now we know that
Yeah.
the diameter divides the circle in two equal parts. So this part and this part will be equal. Similarly, we can say no that this part and this part is equal. This part and this part and this part is equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
In case of spherical mirror also, this radius of curvature divides this arc. This is known as arc. Yes or no? This arc into two equal parts. Two equal parts. So then suppose it is cut this arc at P1, then P1 will be the midpoint of this arc. Yes or no?
Yes.
Midpoint arc, and this arc is known as what? Concave mirror. So that's why P1 will be the midpoint of the concave mirror. Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, 1 minute. Similarly, P2 will be the midpoint of this part. Yes.
Yeah.
So this P1 and P2, are known as the what? Pole of the mirror. Pole. P1 will be the pole of the concave. Yes, tell me. Yes.
Sir, can you explain again? I've not understood.
Where are you going?
Sir, no, this is just disconnect.
Okay, one minute. 1 minute. Huh? One phone is coming.
What the song? Oh, Bhaswati. Where is Bhaswati?
Biru kodita matbo. Biru.
Where Bhaswati? Bhaswati.
Okay, see this one. So P1, now see Rimpi. 1 minute. P1 will be the midpoint of this part, and in the same way, P2 will be the midpoint of this part. Yes or no?
Yes.
This P1 and P2 are known as pole of the mirror. Pole of the mirror. Okay. So these are the terms. Then one term is their principal axis. Principal axis is what? A line joining the center of curvature. That means C. I will give the definition. All of the definition. First, try to understand. Principal axis means a line joining the center of curvature and the pole of a spherical mirror and extended on either side is called a principal axis. That means here this is known as a principal axis. The line joining the center of curvature and the pole of a spherical mirror. So this will be your principal axis. Clear? Okay. Then one your definition, one term is also there. Aperture. A-P-E-R. For me. Kosik plus Kolita raised hand. What happened? Kosik. Show me your face, Kosik, Divjyoti. Now see. So aperture means what? A-P-E-R-T-U-R-E. Aperture means what? Aperture means your. See this one. Aperture means your. Who is Nikki? Nikki, who is Nikki?
Me.
Your name is Nikki.
Yeah.
Achha. So aperture is known as now one term is your dear aperture. So what do you mean by aperture? See this one. The part of a spherical mirror exposed to the incident light is called the aperture of the spherical mirror. In other words, that means the part of a spherical mirror exposed to the incident light. Now see, in case of your concave mirror, in case of concave mirror, since the inner surface is the reflecting surface, so this part will be exposed to the light. Yes or no? Since this inner surface is your reflecting surface, so this inner surface will be exposed to the light. Up to this clear? So
Yeah.
in case of in case of concave mirror, suppose this is denoted by xy. So this part is known as your aperture. Aperture means the part of a spherical mirror which is exposed to the light or incident ray of light is known as the aperture. In the same way, in other words, we can say the diameter of a spherical mirror is known as its aperture. That means this part, actually not this part will be known as aperture. Now if you join xy, in other words, that means xy you can also say as aperture if you join xy. Yes or no? Yes, up to this clear. So these are your 1 minute. So these are your terms related to the spherical mirror. One is your center of curvature, then one is your radius of curvature, one is your pole, one is your aperture, one is your principal axis, and another one is your principal focus. Principal focus. So which is known as principal focus? That means the point on the principal axis of spherical mirror where the rays of light parallel to the principal axis meet or appear to. I will explain what is principal focus. So first write down the first definition. Your center of curvature. Also write down the first definition. Center of curvature. Have you written center of curvature?
Yes.
Okay. So write down the center of a hollow sphere. Center of curvature. I will detect center of
Sir, hollow.
the center of a hollow sphere. The center of a hollow sphere of which the center of a hollow sphere of which the curved or spherical mirror, the center of a hollow sphere of which the curved or a spherical mirror, not a or spherical mirror, the center of a hollow sphere of which sorry, the center of a hollow sphere of which the curved or spherical mirror forms a part 1 minute, forms a part is called center of curvature. Is called center of curvature. Finish? We have
Sir,
7.
yes.
We have 7 minutes left. So this is the center of curvature. So it is denoted by capital C. It is denoted by capital C. It is denoted by capital C. Then I done radius of capital C. This one. Next I done radius of curvature. Then I done radius of curvature. Be fast. The radius of a hollow sphere. That means this one. The radius of a hollow sphere of which The spherical mirror forms a part. The radius of a hollow sphere of which the spherical mirror forms a part is called radius of curvature. Finish?
Sorry.
Okay. It is denoted by capital R. It is denoted by capital R. Then 3 write down pole. Pole.
North Pole or South Pole?
It is not North Pole or South Pole. This is different. This is different. This is different. North Pole, South Pole. This is different.
Hey, what are you making?
So write down the midpoint of a spherical mirror. Let me this one. The midpoint of a spherical mirror is called its pole. The midpoint of a spherical mirror is called its pole. The midpoint of a spherical mirror is called its pole. Your internet connection is unstable. What happened? Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes.
So yes.
Okay. So I done. The midpoint of a spherical mirror is called its pole. It is denoted by P. It is denoted by capital P. It is denoted by capital P. Next, write down aperture and draw one diagram here. For aperture, draw two diagrams. One is your concave mirror. For aperture, draw two diagrams. One is your concave mirror, and another is your convex mirror. You can draw with your pen. So this is your concave, this is your convex. Finish?
Yes.
So write down aperture. A-P-E-R-T-U-R-E. 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 Suppose this is your XY and this is your XY. And join these two lines.
Sir,
Yes.
so it will be number 4, no?
Number 4, yes. So in these two lines, XY, XY. Okay. So write down the part of spherical mirror
Mirror.
exposed
Mirror.
to the, I am writing in the screen, exposed to the finish up to this.
Yes.
So next write down, after this line I write down, I'm writing here. After this line, okay, write down. After this line, okay, each aperture. After this line, I done that 1 minute. The aperture of a concave mirror or convex mirror, the aperture of after this line I done, the aperture of a concave mirror or convex mirror are represented by XY. The apertures of a concave mirror and a convex mirror are represented by XY as shown in the figure. XY as shown in the figure. Okay. So
Sir, mirror.
convex mirror or concave mirror are represented by XY. XY. This one. As shown in the figure. Finish all of you. So today we will end our class here. Tomorrow I'll give the definition of principal axis, principal focus, and I'll explain focal plane, focal length. Okay. So all of you,
Okay.
Kosik, did you show your face and leave the group, all of you. Tomorrow I will again explain. Who is this? Where is Kosik? Yes. So Kosik, we will meet suppose in 5 p.m. Okay, Kosik.